guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are packing for college. I'm moving into my new apartment for my senior year of college. That's so sad. If you guys have not seen my move out vlog or my move-in vlog of me moving to my parents' house, I had to move out of my apartment for about like 3-ish weeks, and then I move into my next one just the way the leases works. Half of my stuff is in the bedroom in my parents' house, and then the other half is in boxes in my garage. I'll show you. You'll be very impressed. This is it. Just my stuff just laid out across this garage stall. So basically what needs to happen is I need to go through every single box. I'm gonna go inside and tell you this. It's kind of hot in the garage. I need to repack the things that I unpacked, and then I want to go through all the boxes in there and just pick through things. If I don't want to keep them for this year's apartment, I will take them out, donate them, or put them in my room. But the first thing that I thought I could do is go through my closet. This is all the clothes that was in my apartment closet, and I just want to go through and take out things that I never wear and donate them or sell them. If I never wear the clothes, I don't want to bring it. Okay, I gave up already. I just looked through the stuff and then I was like, man, I'm bored. So I think I'm gonna get a box from the garage of my clothes and then go through that and repack it. Hopefully it'll be more successful. I literally just looked and I was like, yeah, I think I like everything. If I had no cash to spend, if I forget we had plans, when I feel like breaking down, ooh, you'd be there to hold my hand. Lost in my head, pull me back to bed. Oh, oh, when I feel like I got nothing left, I got you. I got you. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. Pretty impressed with my progress. I finished this. This is basically all the clothes that are normally in my drawers, so workout clothes, jeans, stuff like that. I went through, I got rid of some things that I didn't want to bring, put them all in here. I need to sell my clothes. I have 3 huge bins of clothes that I want to sell on Poshmark or Depop. I'll do that when I have time, but until then, I put the rest of the clothes that were in my dresser in here. One more box done. This one I put all the random things in, some decor. I have my sheets in there, I have some books in there, picture frames, and then I put my bras and underwear and socks because that fit in there. Not mad about it. I probably should start labeling them. I don't know where my stuff to label them is. I've changed a million times today and I'm ready to take on more. And I think the biggest thing that I'm about to take on is my bathroom stuff. I have just so many products in here. If you guys watched my move out vlog, you guys saw how many products I have. It's just so many that I really need to go through it and just keep what I want, get rid of what I don't. There's a lot of things in here that I don't want to bring to my next apartment. I don't really know why I packed them. I should have just thrown them away or given them to someone, but I didn't. I can definitely fit more in here on the top layer, so maybe I'll put some last minute things in there. Some of the new bathroom stuff is in my decor box, so I guess I'll just have to sort through that when I move in. But I probably should have put it in this box, but I didn't think it through. Oh well. It's a couple days later and we have some things that we need to do. The main thing that I need to do, clear out this is the Alex 5 drawers from IKEA. I love them. I have quite a bit of stuff in them. Wait till you see this one. Yikes. So basically what I want to do is I want to go through everything. I need to empty it out because we can't can't move this with all this stuff in here. We tried, it was proven to be very difficult. So I want to take all the stuff in here, put it in here, but I want to condense everything. If there's things I don't want to keep or donate or keep at my parents' house, I just want to go through this because there's a lot of stuff in here that I don't use. It was honestly so full and overwhelming that I wasn't even able to like go through it because there was so much stuff that I could never find what I wanted. So we're gonna organize that, transfer everything from here and here. More minimalist. I know I'm not a minimalist, I'm aware, I have no problem with it, but we're gonna try to bring less stuff this year.
When I feel like I got nothing left, I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got. When I feel like I got nothing left, I got you. I got you.
All the stuff that you've been worrying about. Never mind all the people tryna bring you down. Oh, never mind all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right now it's time to thank him. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you loving me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind. Never mind. Right now, just wanna thank him. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah.
We got so much done. So I have this bin that I normally put like kind of extra cosmetics like face masks, hair masks I don't normally use, and then medicines. So I ended up putting some products that were in here that worked really well. Everything in these are emptied out except for like the mats, and then I did keep these two organizers in there, but I don't think that's big of a deal. And then I have everything in here, like I don't know why I did this, but all the makeup's at the bottom. So I'll just be extra careful with this. But these ottomans, I literally made an entire like TikTok video telling you guys why you need an ottoman like this. They're incredible and they're really helpful for moving. Highly recommend getting one. That one's from Target. I want to do more, but my room is really warm right now. It's really hot in here just from like all the movement, and then I had my windows open. So I'm gonna take a break and cool down because I am sweating. I'm back. It's still really hot in here, but we'll make do. We need to pack. I realized that tomorrow is my last day until I move out, and I was like, oh, that kind of stresses me out. I thought I had packed all my clothes, but I found this box with some clothes in it, so I thought I'd go through this, and then I have some other things that I want to put in my closet, so I thought I'd pack them there. I'm feeling overwhelmed, but I'm also like, oh, I have everything, and then I'll think of things, and I'll be like, oh, I forgot about that.
Pray just like Elijah, I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. You're so good to me, and I can't even speak. Sometimes all I can do.
I feel like I look like I've been electrocuted. My camera battery died, but I finished this one up. Here's a little sneak peek. There's not that many clothes in here. It's mostly boxes underneath here. There's one, and then there's one like pretty big one underneath that. I mean, it fit everything, so I was like, why not? One more box done, a couple more to go. Next box is this one. This one's kind of a miscellaneous. I have some kitchen things in there, like some extra food that's like non-perishable, and then I have two more of these bins that I use for like pantry organization or fridge organization, but I have no idea where I put them. I've been looking around my house and I cannot find them. Another box kind of done. I feel like there's some things that I could add to it. There are so many things that I have no idea where they are. I could not tell you where they are. I thought that I knew where I was putting things, and then I couldn't find them. I did find that clear bin though, but I have like a thing with a ton of pens, and I love the pens. Thought they were in here, they weren't. I thought they were in there, they weren't. I thought they were in the room over there, they weren't. But I actually did a little DIY. Here's some more right there, but I made these for my roommate. So we call our apartment the shed, and I'm really hoping we're calling this new apartment the shed. said, but I got these from Etsy, and so like they're just little sweatshirts because it's always cold in our last apartment. I don't know if this apartment will be cold. I thought it was cute and I hope they like it. Little DIY. I want to give it to them like the day we move in.
Close my eyes, raise my hands, do a dance for you. Praise you, it's true to the one it belongs to. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you love me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind lately. Right now, just wanna thank you. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do when you're going through?
Next up, I'm gonna transfer my pillows. I'm gonna take them out of their case because these are the ones that I normally have in my apartment, but then I like put them here for the few times that I was living here. And then I'm just gonna switch them out with the pillows that I already had. I actually did something. Yikes. I was reading a comment on one of my videos and they were saying like, oh, the comforter you bought has horrible reviews online. And so I read the reviews and they were so bad. Apparently like every time you wash it, like the color would like, it looked like there was like bleach spots and then it would rip. So I just returned it and then I ordered a new duvet and duvet cover, and I really did not want a duvet, but it kind of looked like my only option for the style of bedding that I wanted. So that should be coming tonight. I'm kind of stressed that it's not going to come in time. Fingers crossed that it will because I move tomorrow. Didn't think that ahead.
Going through, I'm gonna dance like me, yeah. Have faith like Abraham.
I kept one pillow so I can sleep on it at night, but I put the rest of them in my laundry hamper, so it works out great. I was standing here and I was like, I feel like there's something I'm missing, and then I remembered my hanging clothes. I need to pack those up. So the way that I'm gonna do this is I'm going to put trash bags around them. Because I'm an in-state student, I put them in the trash bags, take them off the hangers, lay them flat, and then I can just hang it back up. Saves me time. I don't have to like fold everything, which is amazing. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do.
I like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like David, yeah. Have faith like Abraham. Prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. Mind over matter, they don't matter. So do you mind if I just give you all the praise I have inside? Never mind to the things going on right now. I just wanna say hallelujah, hallelujah. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Oh, 'cause what you doing now, going through right now, I just praise the Lord.
Finished that. It was honestly a lot harder than I remembered. I had to do a bunch of smaller sections, but I am realizing how much clothes I have, and that's not good. I think I've already mentioned this, but I have done like a packing like hacks for college. I'll link it down below, but that is one of my favorite tricks because it saves you so much time and so many boxes because you don't have to put them on the boxes. Today is moving day, but we're not done packing just yet. There was a bunch of little things that I realized I forgot. For example, I need to pack my Alexa, my remote. I'll just do that right now. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I have, and then I'm gonna start moving. So I'll see you in the move-in vlog after this. I have this basket. I have all of this. Cute dog. I also have one of those. Hi. And then I have these bins. I know I have a lot of stuff. I don't care. I hope that you guys like this packing vlog. Get excited for my move-in vlog. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!